And now for the news in detail. Tourism project worth more than rupees 400 crore will now be implemented in the state with the funding from ADB and state plan. Informing this, Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that he took a review of the infrastructural projects being taken up under the Tourism Department. He said that the state government is also in the process of introducing tourism buddies where trained youths will be deployed in major tourist destinations of the state. It was also informed that the work on the Shillong ropeway project would start by mid-November.
We are shortly coming up with a scheme called the Tourism Buddy Scheme Deployment, where we will deploy youths who will be given short duration training, review of the Shillong ropeway project. Things are on track, and by mid-November, work will start on the ground.